Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone dealing with plumbing maintenance or repairs. It's the faucet valve grease from JYXindzkj. This little tube promises big results, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, what makes this grease stand out is its ability to resist high temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to be exact. That's crucial for applications involving hot water or steam, ensuring your faucets and valves operate smoothly without seizing up. Inside this compact 1 fluid ounce tube is a specially formulated grease that's not only heat-resistant but also waterproof. This means it's perfect for tackling plumbing jobs where moisture and heat are constant challenges. When it comes to application, simply apply this grease to the stems of faucets, valves, ballcocks, or any other plumbing components that need lubrication. It helps prevent leaks, reduces friction, and extends the lifespan of your fixtures. Now, let's talk about performance. We've tested this grease under various conditions, and I must say, it delivers. The sheerness is top-notch, ensuring smooth operation, and the value for money is excellent, especially considering its long-term benefits. Compared to other similar products on the market, this grease stands out for its durability and reliability under heat. While it might seem like a small investment up front, its effectiveness in preventing costly plumbing issues makes it a smart choice. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable heat-proof grease to keep your plumbing in top shape, the Faucet by Valve Grease from JYXindzkj gets a thumbs up from us. It's easy to apply, effective, and built to withstand the toughest conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this grease or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay tuned for more reviews on products that matter.